everyone, Lecky here from ProPhysio Plus. Today I would like to discuss the TAC, the Transport Accident Commission. And if you haven't already, check out my video on WorkCover or WorkSafe. And basically with WorkSafe, they're the group responsible for the health and safety of our workplaces. TAC is the body that looks after the health and safety of our roads. So the TAC also have a great website. Check them out. They're on www.tac.vic.gov.au, and on that website you can see a lot of definitions and what your rights are if you sustain an injury. Now, it's really important to define what an injury is. Basically, it's any injury caused from an accident from a motorized vehicle. So it could be a car, a motorbike, a train, a tram, a bus, or it could be if you were a pedestrian struck by a motorized vehicle in terms of being a pedestrian on the street or a cyclist. Now, the thing with the TAC is that once you have sustained the injury, obviously you'll be quite sore. The best thing to do would be then to jump online and complete the paperwork, and in a pretty short turnaround they will then send out your TAC claim number, which is key in presenting to your doctor and having yourself managed properly. Okay, so unfortunately you've had an accident, you were struck by a car, let's say, and you have had multiple injuries, unfortunately, and you're needing help to get back on your feet. So you've completed your paperwork with TAC, they've supplied you your TAC claim number, and then from there you present it to your doctor, and your doctor decides that physiotherapy will help, and with your GP referral you finally find your way to physio, and then we'll help you get back on your feet. One main thing I'd like to stress that's a big difference between the TAC and WorkCover is that the TAC don't have any excesses that need to be paid. So if you remember, if you watched the WorkCover video I put out, TAC don't have a medical excess. So once they have approved your claim number, you can seek treatment pretty much straight away. You don't need a physio referral often from your doctor, you can present straight to physio. Whereas with WorkSafe, you often do need a referral from your doctor after you have your claim to call by and have yourself managed. Okay, really easy summary for the TAC. Number one, as soon as I could, I would jump online to the TAC website. I would then complete the paperwork, and once I followed those instructions and the claim has been approved and sent out usually by mail, I would then quote that claim number, TAC claim number, to physio so that we can send those accounts directly to the TAC, so there's no out-of-pocket cost to you. Just remember the big difference between the TAC and WorkSafe. There are two main differences. The first one is there's no medical excess for TAC claims. There's immediate approval once you have the claim number. And the second thing is you don't need a referral, a doctor's referral, to present to physio so that you can get yourself back on track. So once you have a claim number, come catch up with us at ProPhysio Plus with your TAC claim number, and we'll get you back on your feet ASAP.